Hello, welcome to Nanma Malayalam language classes. In this video about how to read and write Ta group letters we learned in last class together with symbols. The Ta group letters are Ta, Tha, Da, Tha, Na. As I mentioned before, we only replace the letter. The symbols are same and the sound is different. It is very easy for those who have seen letters with the symbols in the previous videos and practiced it. The first letter is Ta. Ta with the symbols. Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti. Tu, Tu, Tr. Te, Te, Tai. To, To, Tau. Tam, Ta. Ta with the half moon symbol. T. So Ta with the symbols. Ta, Ta, Ti, Ti. Tu, Tu, Tr, Te, Te, Tai, To, To, Tau, Tam. Next letter is Tha. Tha with the symbols. Tha, Tha, Thi, Thi, Thu. Thu, Thr, The, The. Thai, Tho, Tho. Thau, Tham, Tha. Tha with the half moon symbol. Th. Half moon symbol means Chandrakala. Tha with the symbols. Tha, Tha, The, The, Tho, Tho, Dhr, The, The, Thai, Tho, Tho, Thau, Tham. The next letter is Da. Da. Da, Da. Di, Di. Du, Du. Dr, De, De. Dai, Do, Do. Dau, Dam, Da. Da with the symbols. Da, Da. Di, Di. Du, Du. Dr, De, De. Dai, Do, Do. Dau, Dam. Next letter is Dha. DHA sound. Tha, Tha. Thi, Thi. Thu, Thu. Thr, The, The. Thai, Tho, Tho. Thau, Tham, Tha. And Tha with the half moon symbol. Th. Tha with the symbols. Tha, Tha, Thi, Thi. Thu, Thu. Thr, The, The. Thai, Tho, Tho. Thau, Tham. And the last letter is Na. Otherwise, Na. So, Na with the symbols. Na, Na. Ni, Ni. Nu, Nu. Nr, Ne, Ne. Nai, No, No. Now, Nam, Na. Na with the half moon symbol. N. Na with the symbols. Na, Na. Ni, Ni. Nu, Nu. Nr, Ne, Ne. Nai, No, No. Now, Nam. I hope the Ta group letters with the symbols are clear. If you like the videos, please share to others and let me know your comments. Thank you.